What's happening? 2 minutes. Let's do some sipping and flipping. Sip and flip. All right, here we go. Tell you guys what you need to start flipping, because right now you guys are waiting for the economy to happen to you. They're telling you that it's a possibility, that there's a recession that's going to happen. They're telling you guys that they're going to fire you because they're bringing in artificial intelligence and they're bringing in robots to do your job. But yet you still standing around and you trying to wait till old George. I'm going to wait till they fire me and collect unemployment, which is not going to be enough to satisfy the lifestyle. But okay, if you want to wait, wait. Those who don't want to wait, watch this. Right now, if you got a 620, a 620 credit score, or you got a decent credit score, you want to either be finding deals or you want to be trying to flip deals, okay? You want to find deals or flip deals. Now, let's talk about flipping a deal. Let's say you don't have the time because you're working a full-time job and you want to flip a deal. And you want to flip a deal, you want to learn the process, but at the same time, you don't have all the time of the day to put into what it takes, all right? That's where we come in, but we'll talk about that later. So you find an area where there's a transition, where there's a lot of flips happening, where it was maybe kind of hood or ghetto at one time, or low income at one time, so to speak. And now what you want to do is go into that area and you want to change the outlook of that area. And the way you do that is, one, you find a house. You find a house, let's say you want to buy it for, the ARV on it is 100K, okay? 100K. All right, we know the bank is going to lend at 70% all in. All right, that's the bank. The bank is going to give us 70% of that 100K to buy and renovate. All right, to buy and reno. All right, the bank is going to give us 70% to buy and reno. So we got to be into that 100K for 70,000. All right, 70K. So we got to purchase and renovate for that amount, which means that we gotta buy the house for 40K, and then we gotta put 30K in reno. All right, we gotta purchase a 40K, 30K reno. Okay, now the bank is gonna ask you for 15% down. 15% down. All right, they want to see 15% of your account. They're not asking you for a 700 credit score. They're not asking you to have all these assets. It's hard money. Okay, hard money. So hard money is asking you for 15% down. All right. So let's say 10% of that 70K, not 10% of the 100K, 10% of the 70K, which 10% is 7,000. Let's say 15. So let's call that maybe about $10,000. Okay, $10,000. I do the exact math, but $10,000, which 40K, 30K, reno. So if y'all live in 70, so they want you to bring 10K to the table. Okay? The numbers can change. This could be 100,000, this could be a million, this can be whatever. But I'm doing simple math. So they want you to bring 10K to the table. Now here's where people get lost right here. You're all in for 70K. Minus the 10K you put for down payment, that makes your payoff 60K. All right? That makes your payoff 60K. So now your payoff is 60K. You're going to take that 60K, renovate that house. All right, what's the renovation? That is your 30K. So you're going to be into that house for 60K. That's worth how much? 100K. That 60K is going to come up here and sell for 100K. So you're into it for 60, but you're going to sell it for 100K. All right, you're going to get a check for 40,000. Okay, you're going to get a check for 40K. But you put your 10K back in that you originally had. Remember your down payment that was right here? That's going back to you. So that 10K is going back to you. Okay? That equals you. That's your down payment. Now, you're going to be left with 30K in profit. All right? 30K equals your profit. That's your profit. All right? Now, what is my real profit? Because that's your gross profit. You got your agent you got to pay. You got any incidentals. What I typically like to do is I want to take that 30K and bust it down to half, which is 15K. All right? 15K. That's your profit in 90 days. That's your profit in 90 days. So you got your 10K back, all right, that you originally put down, and you made 15K. How much did you actually put down? You put 10K down. So your return cash on cash is actually 100%, because you put 10K down, you got 10K back, and then you went home with 30K, because you got your 10K back here, but you got 30K, but after you pay your incidentals, you pay your agent and everybody, you took on half of that was $15,000. Again, these are just simple numbers. The numbers can change. This ARV could be 250 million. No, it doesn't matter. I wanted to keep it simple because if you like me, you want things explained in a simpler manner. But this is the breakdown on how you can flip a house right now with your credit, with the down payment of $25,000 to $35,000, depending on what you're buying. If you're buying a house for $100,000 or less, or if you're buying a house for $300,000, 15% is what the hard money lender is asking for, okay? But that 15% comes directly off the house, which makes your payoff lower. Then when you go and sell the house for the $100K, you're gonna get a check for $40K minus the $10K you put in. That goes back to you. You walk away with $30K gross. Take half of that. Now you could make more than $15K. For me, if you're okay with half of the profit that you have, if you're making $50,000 on a house and you're okay with walking away with 25 after everything is said and done in 90 days or 4 months, then that's good. Can you walk away with more? Yes, absolutely. That's why we say half. You actually could walk away with 15 up to 25,000. Just depends on how you market it. Some people get offers on their properties even day one or before they finish. And it could be a full cash offer. It could be an offer over the $100K. What if you went 10K over? Okay, that number becomes 40K. And then this number becomes 25. So you walk away with 25,000. Look, I can't make this up. You guys click the link, join us, get with us. We want to help you accomplish this. Generational Wealth Partners, Deron Denmark. Hey, let me tell y'all. And there you go, sip and flip.